we recently ran a trial where we wanted to see what C-Suis, toltrazuril, and the microbiota development actually they do with each other, and how they can manipulate each other. It has been shown before that the intestinal microbiota develops kind of evenly until weaning, and then the diversity and species richness increase continuously, but after weaning there's a very strong shift in this. This has been known, and for us one of the questions was what happens before weaning during C-Suis infection, and we infected animals from the first day of life and treated half of them with toltrazuril, or two-thirds actually, and one group received parenteral and the other received oral treatment a little bit later. And you can clearly see that infection without treatment severely disrupts bacterial maturation. It also reduces the diversity of the bacterial communities, and it increases the levels of certain bacteria until the 11th day of life. If you're now looking for Clostridia, these animals did not have Clostridium perfringens at that age in their microbiota for some reason. That is probably comes from the mother. So here you can see the control is very different from the two toltrazuril treated groups in terms of bacterial diversity. And the fecal score and the area under the curve for the oocyst excretion were positive correlated with Clostridia zeae, amongst others, in general, but not Clostridium perfringens because that was absent. We try to follow this up until after weaning, but the effects of treatment were strongly waned or maybe masked because of weaning. But we do know that weaned animals show lower levels of Lawsonia and Brachyspira infections when they had previously been treated against Coccidia, because also obviously the intestinal architecture is changed by Coccidia very strongly, pretty similar to early other enteral pathogens.